Here, let's talk about two-step for a second. Sir, what do you want? Oh, I want cool exhaust. What kind of exhaust do you want? Do you want that throaty rumble? The high RPMs? Do you want to hear the rev in the morning? Nope. I want it to sound like a fucking drive-by in East LA. They're like, bingo! We can hook you up. Oh, man. That's awesome. The fuck? You're gonna get killed, dude. You're gonna go to the wrong part of town. It's gonna go pop, 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 pop. Someone's gonna go pop, 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 pop with your hats. They're gonna be like, fuck, I just wasted my bullets on some schmuck with a lawnmower with a machine gun, fucking exhaust pipes. Peace out. What the fuck? No. I'm Captain Berg. I don't know where any of this shit's coming from, but I have a ball. Movie ready forward. Thank you. Coming out.